Here at Prodiko, we believe there's always a better way. That's why when we set out to develop a lift system, we started by asking our customers. What we found was that the systems on the market are all clean in place and difficult to maneuver. This has a massive impact on changeover times and OE. The e-lift is built on Prodiko's telescopic platform. This means that the lift is no longer clean in place. With the pillar retracted, the lift can easily be removed from the packing hall. Prodiko has leveraged the latest in machine safety technology to remove the need for large machine guards. The arm configuration removes the need for a gate and a product fill chute. This means we only have 3 product contact parts. We have the hopper, we have the vibration tray, and we have the bucket. The hopper is hinged to give maximum access for cleaning. Typically on lift systems, dust extraction is done from the machine guards. This encourages the dust to fill the pillar column. With the e-lift, we extract directly over the transfer point between the vibration tray and the bucket. This maximizes dust extraction and minimizes cleaning. The Prodiko e-lift is packed with the latest technology. Despite this, it's extremely simple to use. The operator docks the machine, and with the Prodiko button, one touch to start, one touch to stop.